Hi guys, this is me unboxing the Apple TV 4K 64 GB version. Apple unveiled this media streaming device in the spring event in 2021 and available for order at the end of April. I ordered it at the end of May and it got delivered in 4 days. This is a successor to the Apple TV launched in 2017. As you can see, the packaging is quite Apple-ish with minimal but subtle packaging, and it's wrapped around this plastic which I haven't seen before. Mind you, I am a frequent online shopper. You will make the most of this TV when you have SDR enabled TV, and it does support Dolby Atmos like in the previous generation. So now this is here you can see the months of import, which is May 2021, and this is now a top down one-handed unboxing experience. Here you have your matte finish Apple TV box and the new Siri enabled TV report. The box will feel a bit heavy in your palm and is wrapped around plastic to cover the ports from dust. Here you can see some black glossy finish on the sides, which is actually the plastic covering the ports, and we have to peel this off. So there are only three ports in here. Here are the three ports: the power, the HDMI 2.1, and the Ethernet port. Now coming to the new remote, it has a familiar aluminum chassis like of iPhones, and is reminiscent of the iPods launched in 2001. Here you can see the aluminum finish. The remote has a lightning connector and it lasts for about a month after full charge. There is a dedicated Siri button at the side of this remote, and it very much looks like the iPods which Apple launched in 2001. And the you can see this click wheel mechanism that the Apple iPods used to have in 2001. This is very reminiscent of that. And now let us see what are the leftovers. Here you have a set of two white Apple stickers along with this paperwork. So it is wrapped around this plastic, and let us see what we have here. Here some paperwork, and yeah, and these white Apple stickers, a pair of white Apple stickers. We get this in this Apple TV, and this is the paperwork, a regular paperwork, nothing special. And also you Apple generously gives you a lightning to USB cable. This is used to charge your remote, and remote will last for about a month after a full charge, as I said before. And this is the power cord. This is the home screen, which is very much similar to iOS interface, where you have a dedicated row of icons at the bottom on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, whereas here you have at the top. You can view all your photos and videos of iCloud here, and your music library is also accessible. Here you can see the settings option where you can set the Wi-Fi or connect to the Bluetooth speakers. I have an iPod second gen which I connect with this TV, and the connection is seamless. Uh, Latest Apple devices communicate, flawlessly with each other. Now I'm accessing the Apple App Store on the tvOS screen, and I think I will download my regular apps which I use, Prime Video, Netflix, etc. So One thing to note that I don't have Face ID enabled device, so I cannot calibrate it as per the feature of this device that you can calibrate the TV according. If you have a Face ID enabled device, then you can calibrate the TV with your mobile. So I don't have a Face ID enabled device, so I cannot use that feature. And but I would say that the colors appear a bit warm. At the time of setting up this TV, I was asked by Apple to calibrate it as per the region, which I accepted. I will post a comparison between this and the Amazon Fire TV Stick sooner, for which please subscribe this channel. I'll be posting regular content. So now I'm playing Sonic Racing on Apple Arcade. Apple Arcade is available as a subscription. Well, prior to the launching of this TV, it was rumored that Apple TV is making a console platform for gaming. But to your disappointment, despite the vast variety of Apple Arcade, this doesn't match with PlayStation or Xbox. We all thought that Apple would launch something like an Xbox or PlayStation rival with the computing power that was rumored on this Apple TV, and also the video output of 120 hertz, which everybody thought that HDR playback at 120 hertz would mean very much mean like a gaming experience. So many thought that Apple is going to launch a console level gaming platform, but that doesn't appear to happen. On the inside, this Apple TV is powered by the A12 Bionic chip, which was in Apple iPhone 10s from 2018, and the predecessors to it was powered by A10X Fusion chip, which was in the first iPad Pro in 2017. So, in terms of processing, there really isn't much of an upgrade, and is definitely not a game changer. So you are using a processor of 2018, right? The A12 Bionic chip of 10s was launched in 2018. So if you are looking for an upgrade from your old Apple TV, then I would recommend you to buy only the new remote, which is indeed handy, and it is available for 5800 on the Apple store, online store, or I think you can purchase it from Amazon or Flipkart. So as you can make out, probably the most talking point of this generation Apple TV is the remote. So you can think how much of an upgrade the whole TV is. So for people looking to upgrade from their old Apple TV, I would recommend them to just buy the remote. And for new buyers, I would definitely recommend this, and most definitely if you already own Apple devices, you will find it much easier and helpful to navigate through the menus and buttons. But this is hell of a lot costlier than the Google Chromecast or Amazon Fire TV. So keep in mind, right, the price when you purchase this device. Sorry. So also that you must have an HDR enabled TV to make the full use of this device. As Apple TV is upgraded to the HDMI 2.1 standard, it now supports the both 4K and 8K resolution at 120 Hz. HDR video can be played in 160 Hz. Sorry. So that used to be only SDR content in the previous Apple TV. And also that you can make this as your HomeKit hub. Apple allows the HomePod also to be used as a HomeKit hub, and also an iPad if you keep it at home. Well, nowadays homes are getting smarter, with smart lights and fans and other electronic equipment. So it's up to you which ecosystem you want to build. By ecosystem, I mean Apple, Amazon, or Google. So companies have come a long way on how they make their devices and how they can make money out of you from their ecosystem. So you have to choose wisely which ecosystem suits you best. Also, this the remote which we get in this Apple TV can be used as a controller for games, but it's much preferred to use a dedicated controller like a PlayStation or Xbox or any of the MFI certified controllers. At last, I would request you all to hit the like button and give your comments in the comment box. See you next time, and I would request you to hit the subscribe button also. Oh man, what a bad gamer I am.